Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you how you can integrate your OpenAI account in n8n in your AI agent. Welcome to n8n Basics series. If you're new to building AI agents, let me tell you that almost in every single AI agent that you're going to create, you will need to integrate OpenAI chat model. Basically, you need to give a brain to your AI agent. Now that brain can be from OpenAI's ChatGPT, or it can be Google Gemini, or it can be Anthropic's Claude. Now, I'll show you an example on how to integrate your OpenAI account. It's very simple, straightforward, but a lot of people do not know it. If you want to know how to integrate your Gmail, Google Gemini as a brain in this, or Anthropic's Claude, let me know in comments and I will create a video on that. Okay, now to get started, so whenever you add an AI agent in your n8n, you get an option over here, chat model, right? So if I delete it, you will always get it like this. You'll get a plus option. Simply click on this plus and search for OpenAI chat model. You'll get this option. When you click on it, you'll get on a screen like this. Now the first thing that you need to do is you need to integrate your OpenAI account by clicking on this drop down. My account is already integrated, so it is appearing over here. But if you are coming here for the first time, you need to click on create new credentials. When you click on create new credentials, it asks for an API key. This is basically a secret key which is related to your OpenAI ChatGPT account. And when you add your API key over here, this n8n AI agent is going to start using your ChatGPT account. Any expense that you do or anytime you use your ChatGPT or this OpenAI chat model, you will get billed in your OpenAI account. Okay. Now, I have utilized OpenAI chat model a lot, and based on like some minimal usage, the cost is very, very low. But again, be mindful, make sure to check your OpenAI account. You can also set a limit on how much it should spend. So suppose you can fix it to say $5. So even if anything goes wrong in your AI agent, it is not going to spend more than $5. So you can put any limit over there. But let's focus on getting your API key. Simply go to Google, search for OpenAI Chat Model API. When you search this, you'll come across a platform. The very first platform is platform.openai.com. Click on this and it will ask you to log into your ChatGPT account. So click on login, enter your credentials, click on continue. Once you're logged in, you land on this page called API keys. And here, as you can see, I've created multiple API keys for my different projects. Now, if you're coming here for the first time, you don't have your API key, simply click on create new secret key. Click on this thing, give name to your project. So suppose if it is a test project or any other project that you're working on, okay, and simply click on create secret key. When you click on create secret key, you're going to get your OpenAI API key. I'll simply copy this. Don't try to use this API key. I'll delete it after creating this video. Simply copy this API key, go back to n8n and paste your OpenAI API key over here. Okay. Once you paste your OpenAI API key, simply click on the save button over here and your OpenAI account is integrated. As you can see, connection tested successfully. That means your OpenAI account has been added successfully. Click on this cross button. And now when I click over here, as you can see, my second account has been added. You can name this account as well, whatever you want. So that suppose if you have added your 4 or 5 different API keys for 4 or 5 different projects, you want to name them differently, simply click on this pencil icon over here. You can name them. So for example, if this is for a test project, simply name it test project, click on save so that you can identify which API key you created for what purposes, and you will be able to find all of them in a drop down over here. This is a simple way to add your OpenAI account to your n8n projects, and you just have to integrate your OpenAI account once. Now, every time I want to add my OpenAI chat model, I'll automatically get my accounts added over here. Okay, so I don't need to integrate my account every single time I add this OpenAI chat model node. I hope this was helpful. If you want to learn how to integrate Google Gemini as a brain to your AI agent in n8n, let me know in comment. The same thing is true for Anthropic's Claude. Google Gemini is helpful because Google Gemini is absolutely free. It is a little bit slow, a little bit less accurate compared to OpenAI chat model. But again, for most of the purposes, it performs the job really, really well. So let me know in the comments if you want to understand how to integrate Google Gemini. Make sure to like this video. And again, if you have not joined my school community, the link is given in the description below. It is free to join the school community. Make sure to join it. And I'll see you in the next video.